Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make like a turnable game. So let me tell you what it is. So a turnable game is like when something hits the ground, it goes back up and then starts doing it forever. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial at the end, and comment down below if you did, if the comments are available. So I'm going to be making the video now. Okay guys, so here we are at the Scratch screen. If you haven't opened a new tab, just open a new tab and type scratch.mid.edu. If you're new to my channel, you can create an account, and then you can click create. As you can see, I have an account called sb-dart, and I'm going to show you how to make the project now on this account. So let's go ahead and get started. First, let's go ahead and click on the create button as usual. Then let's pick a sprite. Perhaps we can also do some music or something. Maybe we can create a sprite. Like for example, if we wanted to just take this square and then do like this, and then take another like a mouse stuff thing, or like whatever that's called, and we just put a little tail there. There we go. And now as you can see, we have something. Now we're gonna make it keep hitting down and then like doing stuff like that. You can also draw a face for this thing like this. So it's gonna keep hitting the ground and doing something. So for this, we'll have to use operators, motion, variables, and we're also going to be putting a wearable inside like a thing. Turn 15 degrees. Let me check. What is that called? Like a boo. Wait, what? An input, like an input. It's like an input. So number text in that thing, we can put the wearable inside this. For example, I'll show you when I drag out this my wearable, move my wearable steps. Just put that wearable inside. So that's how you can use the wearables inside the booleans. I mean the number or text things like that are here. Like these circle things, wherever you can type or anything, you can put the wearable inside them as soon as you drag them out. If you put it inside like there, as you cannot do, you can only write numbers with it because I don't know, Scratch is like that. Okay, anyways, we're gonna get to it now. So maybe you can play a sound later, which I'm going to choose up. And choose this wrecking ball. It's like kind of like a cute little song. Like I'll show you. So it starts like that, and then the whole sound you can listen to the whole sound on my profile or something, or maybe you can check out this thing, like this project. I'll be sharing it after this video, and as soon as I show you how to create it. So now we are going to drag out another block. We're gonna drag out a 1 grade 5 collect as usual. Whenever you're starting a new project, like whenever you're clicking on this flag, something happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it point in direction 90, since it's going to keep changing the direction, because like it's going to keep turning, like hitting the ground like this, boom, boom, boom. Okay, now we are going to drag out a point in direction 90 as usual, because we want it to point in this direction when it's the green flag flip. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go to that position. Like it can go to 0, 0 or something. Maybe I'll put 0, 0. I hope it doesn't go off. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, go to 0, 0, and then what it's gonna do, it's gonna do something forever. Like it's forever, in a forever loop, it's gonna keep hitting the ground. So how do we do that? Well, first we have to create a variable called size. So I'm gonna just create that variable. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to actually take out this tick. And now we're gonna do a set size to 9. So change out my variable size and put that 2 to 9. Set size to 9. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna repeat until, repeat how many times, like this thing. So you can see we have the same thing where you can type numbers and stuff. Well, we are going to be putting an operators, 2 operators in it. So how are we going to be doing that? Well, in the operator section is you can go to this green category and then you'll come to all these stuff. Well, we're going to be using this flower one. So I don't know what it is, but we can just drag it out. So I'll show you, it'll work later. Okay, now we're going to drag out a plus thing. And then you have to put this star thing inside the plus thing for the first little circle. And my mouse became big. How did I do that? Sorry there, guys. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some numbers. So I'm gonna add mine to a 9, and we can put the last one 1. Now we're gonna put it inside the repeat, and as soon as it will repeat that many times, put that there. If you haven't done this step, please pause the video and then we can continue. I'll give you some time. Did you do it? Okay, since you did the step, we're gonna continue. So now we're gonna go to the motion category as usual when I just told you, and we're gonna drag out this right turn 15 degrees, that one, like clockwise or anti-clockwise. I mean clockwise. I mean anti-clockwise. When I keep getting confused. Okay, so drag out the anti-clockwise turn 15 degrees block, and then we're gonna go to the variables and drag out this size thing, like this small circle thing, and then put it in there. As you can see, that works, right? Then put it in there. Turn size degrees, and then change size by -1. What -1 means is like it changes, like it counts down from 9 or something like that. It does. It doesn't even show the variable because I haven't put the tick, but I just saw it on a project about that and I learned it and then I made this video. So as you can see, I'm going to show you now. Whoa, that's so cool. It's like hitting. That's so cool. Okay. So there is our project. If you want to add more details, I'm going to show you how. You don't have to watch this part if you don't want to see add more details, but you can add whatever you want. Maybe you can add a backdrop. For example, I'm going to pick blue sky 2. You can also add a sound. For example, you can go to sprite 1 and then you can go wrecking ball. You can use that whatever music you have there. Instead of using pop, you can use any music from scratch or whatever you uploaded. So you can upload a sound too. So you can drag out this play sound wrecking ball and until done forever in a forever loop. So it keeps playing. So as you can see, I'm going to show you and then I'll be sharing the project and telling you about the end. So yeah. Okay, so that's how it plays the music. You can see the whole song on your profiles, or you can watch on my profile if you have a profile image or something. Well, if you have a account, you can do Scratch. So I recommend you create an account for Scratch so you can check out all my projects that I've made on these videos. So yeah, that's the whole tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial, and don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'm gonna try to spell it. I don't think that's correct. Notification bell. There we go. And also don't forget to don't miss out on any new videos. So, and don't forget to like this product. If you like it, you will be able to remix or do anything. You can change anything of the project. As you can see, I've just written here something from the Zoom thing, and annotate. If you don't have that section, which I just recorded, you can just go to more, and then you can just start recording. So that was the full video of the rotation game. It's not really a game, but it's kind of like a code thing I found from somewhere. Like when I just searched some song, it just came, and then it showed that thing, which is also on my video in the on the description of the video. So don't forget to check it out on the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to comment on this project, which I share when I share it. Right after this video, I'm going to share it with the instructions and name and everything. And then you can check it out and comment if you like the video, if you watched it. If you haven't watched it, you can comment about the tutorial or something, or maybe about the code or something. So yeah, that's the whole project tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this simple tutorial of the rotation game. Not really a game. Once again, it's not really a game, but it's like kind of like dabbing something, like boom na 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 na. So yeah, guys, that's the whole tutorial, and I can't wait to see you in the next Learn Scratch video. Bye, guys. Scratch on. Scratch rocks.